Hello from Slovenia again. Today will be just a quick announcement for something that's coming on 25th of June. Fluid Art CEO will release new piggies, these little piggy pigments, and today all over the globe some art friends will show you new pigments, and I will show you the Afterglow. And on the 25th and the week after, we will do a big collaboration with a lot of beautiful pieces, I'm sure, done with those amazing pigments. And this Afterglow is neon sparkly peach color. And just to tease you up a little bit, make sure that you will check your mailboxes, because those samples can reach you too. And just to tease you, I will just mix this pigment up for my type of pours. I know that you probably know how to mix it for a bloom, Shelee's bloom technique, but I will do it my way. I will mix it with my pouring medium and some polyurethane satin varnish by Vallejo to disperse it. And on the collaboration day, I will show you something done with this pigment, and of course some others too. So don't forget to check other artists' color reveals too. We'll just put this much, and it has some really nice shine to it already. Whoop. And I'm using this Fluid Art CO stir sticks because I love them, especially when I use my pigment. So I will just pour some of this varnish on. Let me see where you will see. I will just mix it up a little bit in kind of a paste, or how can I say, before I'm adding my pouring medium. I need just a little more. As I said, you can mix them in a lot of different ways. I have a flash on so that you can see the real color, you know. Because sometimes on camera it's hard to show the real color. So this is okay now. Can you see the shimmer? And now I will pour in my pouring medium and mix it to the consistency. And because my pouring medium is white, you can see that the pigments kind of disappear, or how can I say, not disappear, change the color really. But when they dry, because the pouring medium is transparent, they will show the real color again. And as you can see, I will show you why, maybe this way. I love those stir sticks. You see, you can really scrape all things out. This is a little thick, so I will add just a little more of my pouring medium. Whoop, I was off camera. And scrape the sides, scrape everything really nice. This will be the right consistency for me. So I will mix some of my pearl white mixture too, and do a piece off camera. I will just show you the dry result, and if you want to know more, you will have to come to our big collaboration from Fluid Art CO with new pigments that will be released on 25th of June. I'll be right back. So this is a little piece that I done with the pigments. It's just a simple little reverse flower dip with puddles, and I used black and pearl white and this Afterglow pigment, and as you can see where it hits black, it's almost orangey bronzy, and on the other parts is pink and peach. I love it. So I just did this to tease you guys a little bit and make sure that you set your reminders for 25th. You will see thumbnails and everything, and post in social medias, and make sure that you will be there with us. And see you. Bye.